Hi everyone, this is Brandon from Gino's Garage to help clear the air about air filters for 2019 and newer Ram Cummins turbo diesel trucks. When the 2019s first came out, they were using the same air filter that's been used since 2007 to 2018 model trucks and was used for quite a few years until at some point customers started complaining about excessive regens and a lot of engine lights, check engine lights being set. Eventually they finally narrowed it down to this filter being the problem. Specifically, it had to do with the tightness of the strips together causing restrictions, and forever was known after this as the glue strip air filter. As you can see, it has a glue strip running here, three of them there, and then inside each plate is another glue strip. They replaced this filter with a 5303-4051 filter, which, as you can see here, has no glue strips. It opens, it flexes, it's pretty free, it flows extremely well. And we thought we were good, and we did. We ran these for several years until the end of last year when Mopar released a statement telling its vendors to no longer sell this filter to 2019 and newer Ram trucks. The issue being is that it wasn't a flow issue. The problem turned out to be an oil issue. These filters are not dry. They're oiled filters. So was the previous model. So to fix that issue, they released another part number. As you can see, it looks very similar, and it is a dry filter. But when they came in, we were kind of surprised. We were really surprised that they actually had glue strips. We thought glue strips were the problem. But comes to find out, it really wasn't the problem. It really had to do with more being an oil filter versus a dry filter. The oil filters were allowing oil to come through the system and coat sensors, specifically the mass airflow sensor, causing a check engine light, and the most common code was a P0299. That also caused excessive regenerations in the truck. So this filter so far has been out for about 3 months now. We've got about 1,000 of them out there, and thankfully we have not had any complaints. Now we do get customers calling and saying they've received a glue strip filter and they're worried that it's going to cause an issue with their truck. But the deal is, it's not with this glue strip air filter. It has everything to do with this glue strip air filter, the 685-17554AA. Not only does it have the glue strips, it is an oiled filter. So it does the exact same thing. It causes it, covers sensors, sets the code, goes into regen. So be safe. Feel free to call us if you have any questions, but you are good to run this in your truck. We in fact put a letter from Chrysler in every single box explaining why the change was made, and it shouldn't have any problems. But if you have any questions, give us a call. You can reach us at 770-886-2500. Thank you.